औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सूरह बकरा आयत 109 वद्दा कसीरम मिन अहलिल किताबि लौ यरुद्दूनकुम मिन बादि ईमानिकुम कुफ़ारन हसदन मिन इंद अनफुसिहिम मिन बादि मा तबय्यना लहुमुल हक़ फ़अफ़ू वस्फ़हू हत्ता यअतिल्लाहु बिअम्री इन्नल्लाहा अला कुल्ली शैइन क़दीर। English translation of this verse. Many of the people of the scriptures wish that they could turn you back to disbelief after you have believed out of envy from themselves, even after the truth has become clear to them. So pardon and overlook until Allah deliver His command. Indeed, Allah is over all things competent. Word to word translation of this verse. Vaddu wish, kasiran many, min of, Ahli the people, Al-Kitabi the scripture, law if yuraddunakum they could turn you back, min from, badi after, imanikum your belief, kufaran to disbelieve, hasadan envy, min from, Inda with anfusihim themselves, min from, bada after, ma what, tabayyana has become clear, lahum to them, al-haqqu the truth, fa'fu so pardon, wasfahu and overlook, hatta until, ya'ti deliver, Allah bi amrihi his command, inna indeed Allah over kulli every shay in things qadirun competent. Explanation. This verse addresses the envy and malice harbored by many among the people of scriptures, Jews and Christians toward the Muslim. Despite the truth of Islam becoming clear to them, they still wish to lead the believer astray and turn them back to disbelieve out of envy and resentment. The verse advises the believer to respond to such hostility with patience, forgiveness and forbearance until Allah's decree is fulfilled. It reaffirms Allah's ultimate authority and competence over all matters, emphasizing the believer's truth in his wisdom and justice. The verse highlights the challenges faced by the early Muslim community in Medina, where they encountered opposition and hostility from various quarters, including some members of Jewish and Christian community. It urged the believer to respond to such hostility with patience, forgiveness, and steadfastness in their faith, trusting in Allah's ultimate judgment and power. Reason for the revelation of this verse was revealed in response to the schemes and hostility of disbelievers, particularly the people of scriptures who sought to undermine the Muslim community in Medina. They were envious of the Muslim faith and sought to lead them back to disbelief. The verse serves as a reminder to the disbeliever to remain steadfast in the face of adversity and to respond with patience and forgiveness, trusting in Allah's ultimate justice and power. It also emphasized the importance of maintaining unity and solidarity among the believers in the face of external challenges and opposition.